Hello, السلام عليكم. Welcome to a new video from LinguaMeet. أهلا بكم في فيديو جديد من LinguaMeet. Our new video will be about telling time in Egyptian Arabic. How we express time in Egyptian Arabic, how we say what the time, and how we answer it, and how we say the normal hours from 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock. So follow along with me. Telling the time in Egyptian Arabic is very interesting and very easy. It's not complicated at all, but we need to hear the time or hear the question about the time and hear the spoken language many times in order to pronounce it right. You will find sometimes similarities between modern standard Arabic and Egyptian Arabic, but if you didn't find similarities, that's totally normal. The dialect is different from the modern standard Arabic, although we have some words, of course, in common. So let's start by saying what is the time. So the question what is the time in Egyptian Arabic is simply الساعة كام. الساعة كام. So الساعة is hour, okay, hour, the hour, and كام is how much. كام is how much in Egyptian. So الساعة كام, so what is the time? الساعة كام. And the answer, you just say الساعة. So الساعة, and then you say the time. And then you say the time. الساعة. For example, الساعة واحدة, it's 1 o'clock. الساعة 2, it's 2 o'clock. And so on. So what's the time? الساعة كام? And the answer is الساعة, and then you say the time. Okay, let's now move to the time itself. So in this video, we will just say الساعة from 1 to 12. Okay, from 1 to 12. If you say it's 1 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock, until you reach it's 12 o'clock. So pay attention with me and concentrate well. So 1 o'clock is الساعة واحدة. الساعة واحدة. الساعة واحدة. 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock الساعة 2. الساعة 2. الساعة 2. It's 2 o'clock. الساعة 2. It's 2 o'clock now. الساعة 2 دلوقتي. It's 2 o'clock now. الساعة 2 دلوقتي. 3 o'clock الساعة 3. 4 o'clock الساعة 4. الساعة 4 is 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock now. الساعة 4 دلوقتي. الساعة 4 دلوقتي. It's 4 o'clock now. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock الساعة 5. الساعة 5. الساعة 5. 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock الساعة 6. الساعة 6. 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock now. الساعة 6. الساعة 6 دلوقتي. It's 6 o'clock now. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock الساعة 7. 7 o'clock الساعة 7. It's 7 o'clock now. الساعة 7 دلوقتي. It's 7 o'clock now. الساعة 7. الساعة 8. It's 8 o'clock. الساعة 8. 8 o'clock. الساعة 9. It's 9 o'clock. الساعة 9. It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. الساعة 9. الساعة 10. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. الساعة 10. الساعة 10. It's 10 o'clock. Oh, okay. We have a quick quiz. Okay, a quick quiz. Do you know how to say الساعة 3? الساعة 3. It's 11 o'clock. الساعة 11. الساعة 11. It's 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Now it's 11 o'clock. دلوقتي الساعة 11. دلوقتي الساعة 11. 11. الساعة 11. 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. الساعة 12. 12. 12. 12 o'clock. الساعة 12. Okay, a quick quiz. Do you know how to say الساعة 3? الساعة 3? Yes, exactly. It's 3 o'clock. Okay, do you know how to say it's 7 o'clock? Yes, الساعة 7. الساعة 7. Great, you are paying attention. But what if we want to say, for example, it's 12:30? For example, it's 12:30, or it's 12:45, 35, or it's 2:35, and so on. How can we express this? It's very, very easy. If we want to say it's 1:15, so if we're moving quarterly, 1:15. So 1:15 means it's الساعة 1:15. So ربع is quarter. ربع is quarter in Arabic. We is with or and. Okay, so if we say it's 1 and quarter, 1:15, الساعة 1:15. So 1:15. So ربع is quarter to 1. Quarter to 1. If we want to say it is a quarter to or 15 before, we say إلا ربع. So or we, it's and. إلا is before or minus, okay, or subtract. So 1:15, it's 1:15. 1:15, it's quarter is 1:15, it's 15 to 1, okay, or quarter to 1. Quarter to 1. Half is نص in Egyptian, نص, and came from نصف in modern standard Arabic. So نص in Egyptian is نصف in modern standard Arabic. So خمسة ونص. خمسة ونص. خمسة is 5, okay, and نص is 30 minutes or half an hour. نص. و is and. So 5:30 is خمسة ونص. 5:30. 5:30 خمسة ونص. خمسة ونص. 7:30 سبعة ونص. 8:30 8 ونص, and so on. Okay, how about 20 minutes? 20 minutes, which is 1/3 of an hour. 1/3 of an hour, we say it in Arabic as ثلث in modern standard Arabic, which is tilt in Egyptian Arabic. Tilt. Tilt. Tilt is 1/3 of something as a word in Arabic. Tilt, or in Egyptian Arabic. So واحدة وتلت. So 1 and 1/3 of an hour. 1 and 20 minutes. واحدة وتلت. Or 2 إلا تلت. إلا تلت. So إلا is minus. So it's 2 o'clock minus 1/3 of an hour. So 2 إلا تلت. So 1:30 واحدة ونص. 1:20 واحدة وتلت. واحدة وتلت. 2 إلا تلت. 2 إلا تلت. So 20 minutes before 2. Okay. 12:20, which is 12 وتلت. Yes, exactly. 12 وتلت. Okay. 5:20. 5 is 5. Okay. 5 وتلت. Right. You are right. So let's say it is 20 minutes before 7. 7 إلا تلت. 7 إلا تلت. I know it can be confusing at the beginning. Don't worry. After some time, you will find it really easy and you'll find yourself familiar with it. This is how things go. So by now, you can tell the time also even with the quarters, with the halves, and also with the 1/3. This is really, really great. You are doing really good with the timing in Egyptian Arabic. And now if you hear somebody talking about time, most probably you will know what he or she means in Egyptian Arabic. Great progress, and I'm very, very happy that I'm sharing this knowledge with you and that you are listening with me. Keep positive, keep learning. It will be very, very, very easy. Don't forget to follow this channel and also check the description box below. You will have all the information links and my website and my blog and my social media. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to know always what is new. And don't forget to write me comments and ask me, and I will respond as soon as possible. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in future videos. Assalamu alaikum.